I recently had the opportunity to attend the class from Next Pivot Point called Unpacking Racism and Learning How to Be an Ally by Julie Kratz and Erica Young. And I have to say that I didn't know what to expect from the class, but I came away with such an impactful experience on understanding racism, white privilege, and unconscious bias, and the value of allyship. I tend to think of things in three buckets, and this is a model by Gustavo Rossetti, where it's the what, the so what, and the now what. And in recent events of the past several years, actually, with all of the things that have been done with our Black communities, our people of color, I was really frustrated with what could I be doing to help make change and foster better relationships among all human beings. And so I knew the what. I knew that it was racism and that it was unconscious bias, and there were all kinds of things to unpack with the what. The so what is, why is it important? What does it matter? And let's unpack that and really look at the issue at hand. And so why is it important? And the now what, which I didn't know at the time, but I do know now after taking the class, is allyship. I knew the what and the so what, and I knew it was important, and I knew it enraged me, and I wanted to make a change, but I didn't know how. And so the now what piece was answered through Julie and Erica's class of what can you do now and what actions can you take, and that's through allyship. I learned a great deal from this class. I loved how it was structured. It was small groups. We had maybe 5 minutes of pre-work to do on the topic at hand for each class that was going to be covered, whether they were videos or a small article or something that would help ignite the conversation. And so we talked about it as a group, and then we each had a voice in the room of no judgment zone. They're meeting people wherever they are in their understanding of this journey. And we had such a great discussion amongst our groups and individually. We all bring different experiences to the table. They're all celebrated experiences. We listen to each other, we learn from each other, and then we learn what allyship is and how we can help give voices to those that are unheard. I would highly recommend this class for anybody who is wondering, now what? And in the words of Simon Sinek, you can inspire through words, but actions cause change. So I ask you, as you're in your journey, now what? And I encourage you to take this class to help you answer that question and help you cause action to change the world for a better place.